Hello, it's Mike with 12 Survivors, and what you see here is the 12 Survivor multiplier or multi-tool. Has this heavy-duty Cordura sheath that it comes in. When we open it up, black in color, made out of aluminum. The pliers on this are spring-loaded. We have an awl on here, so this is used for poking holes in material. It'd also be used to be able to help strike a ferro rod. We have a file. There's some screwdriver heads in here, a bottle opener, can opener to it. We have a saw, a Phillips screwdriver, and then we have a blade. All these are locking. When you open it, you have a push button here to be able to close the blades. It all fits very nicely into its sheath. Very secure. It's not going to come out, and it has a belt loop attachment on the back. Again, this is the multi-tool 12 Survivors. Go ready.